MyScoreIQ Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my honest review of MyScoreIQ, a credit monitoring and identity theft protection service that claims to provide comprehensive tools for safeguarding your financial profile. MyScoreIQ is designed for individuals who want a clear and detailed understanding of their credit health while actively protecting themselves from identity theft risks. Its standout features include credit report monitoring from all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, along with real-time alerts for changes to your credit profile. One of the service's main selling points is its intuitive dashboard that simplifies tracking credit scores, making it ideal for people who may not be well-versed in financial jargon, but still want to stay in control of their credit. Beyond credit monitoring, MyScoreIQ offers robust identity theft protection. This includes $1 million in identity theft insurance, dark web monitoring, and alerts for suspicious activities involving your personal information, like new account openings or unauthorized inquiries. A particularly useful feature is the Credit Report Dispute tool, which simplifies the process of correcting errors in your credit report, a crucial step in maintaining a strong credit profile. So, who is MyScoreIQ best suited for? If you're someone actively working on improving your credit score, preparing for a big financial milestone like a home purchase, or simply looking to protect your identity in today's digital age, this service has the tools you need. However, it may not be the best fit for those seeking a completely free solution, as MyScoreIQ operates on a subscription-based model. That said, the value it provides, especially through regular credit score updates and comprehensive identity monitoring, justifies the cost for many users. One thing to keep in mind is that while the platform is user-friendly, some of the deeper insights and tools might require a learning curve for those unfamiliar with credit management. However, their customer support team is responsive and available to guide you if needed. In summary, MyScoreIQ excels at combining credit monitoring and identity protection into a single, easy-to-use platform. It's not just about keeping an eye on your credit score. It's about providing you with actionable insights and robust safeguards to protect your financial future. If you're serious about staying ahead of potential credit or identity issues, MyScoreIQ is worth considering. Just weigh the subscription cost against the peace of mind and proactive control it offers.